Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is AR and MR curve of a firm under the perfect competition. In perfect competition, firm can sell any amount of output at given market price. It means from additional revenue, that is MR, from the sale of every additional unit of the commodity will be just equal to the market price, that is average revenue. Hence the average revenue is equal and marginal revenue become equal. AR is equal to MR at the constant. In that situation, the AR, that is demand curve, or MR curve will be the same, would be a horizontal or parallel to the x-axis as it shown in the figure 10.2, and you can see that AR is equal to MR is equal to price line. Now, a firm under perfect competition is price taker, not a price maker. Means in a perfect competition market, the price of the commodity is determined by the demand and supply of the whole industry. The firm working under the industry has to accept the price quoted. Here, the group of a firm collectively are known as the industry. For example, Hyundai, Maruti, Honda, etc. are the firm, but collectively they are known as automobile industry. Under the perfect competition, the price of the commodity is determined by the intersection of market demand and market supply of the whole industry. Therefore, the industry is called price maker. Every firm has to be accept the price determined by the industry. A firm can only decide how much amount of the commodity it want to sell at given price. It means a firm cannot change the price. It take the price at its, and hence is known as price taker. As we are aware that in perfect competitive market all the firm produce homogeneous product. It implies that all firm charge same price for the product. If any first firm attempt to charge a higher price, no buyer buy it from this firm. Why should one pay higher price of an identical product? Beside this, there are a large number of firms. It implies that each firm has so small compared to the market that no single firm can influence the market price. Homogeneous product and the existence of large number of firms in the perfect competition market implies that all the firms are expected to keep the same price for the product. Every firm accept the market price determined by the whole industry. It is therefore said that firm under the perfect competition is price taker, not the price maker. It also indicates that when the perfectly competitive firm try to sell more, the price will remain the constant. Now, non-competitive market are those market in which we do not find pure perfect competition. There are three main form of such market: monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. Now we first discuss the what is monopoly. The market form of monopoly is the objective extreme to that of the perfect competition. It exists whenever an industry is in the hand of the single producer. For example, an Indian railway in India. In the case of perfect competition, there are so many individual producers that none of them has any power over the market. One firm can increase or diminish its production without affecting the market price. A monopolistic, on the other hand, has the power to influence the market price. A monopoly on the hand influence the market price by reducing its output, and it can force the price up, and by increasing its output it can force the price down. The word monopoly is made two words, that is mono plus poly. Has mono means one and the poly means the seller. Thereby the literal meaning of the word monopoly, one seller and one producer. So monopoly referred to that form of market organization where there is a single firm and producing the commodity for which there are no close substitute.